The Indian Constitution is a landmark document that defines the framework for the world's largest democracy. Drafted after India's independence in 1947 by a democratically elected Constituent Assembly, it was shaped significantly by B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee. The Constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949, and came into effect on January 26, 1950, marking India's transition to a republic. The Indian Constitution enshrines India's core principles as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. It establishes a federal structure, dividing power between the central government and the states. The parliamentary system is headed by the Prime Minister, who holds the majority's trust in the lower house of Parliament. Fundamental rights ensure basic rights and freedoms for all citizens, while fundamental duties outline citizens' responsibilities towards the nation. The directive principles of state policy provide guidelines for the government to promote social welfare. As a living document, the Indian Constitution has been amended several times to adapt to changing times, remaining the cornerstone of Indian democracy, ensuring a balance of power, justice, and equality for its citizens.